Fairy Tale Problem-Solving STEM Kit. The Three Billy Goats Gruff. Three billy goats had to cross an old bridge to get to a meadow. A big mean troll lived under the bridge. The smallest goat crossed the bridge first. The bridge creaked a little. "I'll gobble you up," cried the troll. "You can't get me. I can cross this bridge," said the smallest goat. Soon the medium goat crossed the bridge. It creaked louder and started to bend. "I'll gobble you up," cried the troll. "You can't get me. I can cross this bridge," said the medium goat. Finally, the largest goat crossed the bridge. It began to creak and sag. "I'll gobble you up," cried the troll, reaching for the goat. Before the troll could grab him, the largest goat knocked the troll into the river. Then all three goats went to the meadow and ate until their tummies were full. When it was time to go home, the troll was back under the bridge. The goats looked at the nearly broken bridge and were worried it would break after all. Here is your challenge. Can you build a bridge that is strong enough for all three goats to cross at once and high enough to stay above the troll? Let me tell you your challenge one more time. Can you build a bridge that is strong enough for all three goats to cross at once and high enough to stay above the troll? You will use this form here, which says Fairy Tale Problem-Solving STEM Kit, the Three Billy Goats Gruff. Plan. You will draw out what your plan is. Create. You will use the materials provided and actually build the bridge. And then you will test your plan and see if it worked, and then check yes or no. Good luck.